Learn Hindi feelings fast. Happy to in love in English in.
प्यार में.
Welcome to the emotional circus. Hey, you are about to learn Hindi feelings in a fun way, so relax and enjoy the ride. Today, your brain is smarter than it thinks. Welcome to a very dramatic day in the life of Max, a man whose emotions change faster than his phone battery percentage. In the morning, Max gets free breakfast and feels
खुश.
He says, I am so
खुश.
today. Then he drops his toast butter side down and suddenly becomes
उदास.
not tragic movie level,
उदास.
but still very sad for the toast. A pigeon then steals the second piece. Max becomes
गुस्सा.
very.
गुस्सा.
The pigeon, however, feels no guilt at all. Before the big speech. Now imagine you are with Max before an important moment. Listen for the feeling words and picture the scene. Max has to give a speech called, Why Pigeons Should Pay Rent. Before going on stage, he feels
चिंतित.
He is anxious because the audience includes his boss, his aunt, and possibly that same criminal pigeon. A minute later, Max is not just
चिंतित.
He is also
घबराया हुआ.
His hands are cold, his smile is strange, and his notes are upside down. Classic
घबराया हुआ.
behavior. He whispers to himself, breathe. Don't panic. Try to look intelligent. Sadly, he is so
घबराया हुआ.
that he almost introduces himself as a sandwich. Magic tea and calm nerves. Good news. Every language chapter deserves tea. And every nervous hero deserves a comeback. A kind grandmother appears from nowhere, because helpful grandmothers do that in stories. She hands Max a cup of tea and says, sit.
आराम से.
Quote. He takes a deep breath. He sits.
आराम से.
His shoulders drop. His eyes soften. For the first time all day, he feels relaxed, or in Hindi.
आराम से.
The pigeon is still rude, but now Max is calm enough not to argue with wildlife. Victory, chest out. You are doing great. Now let's move from stress to success. Max walks onto the stage. He speaks clearly. He does not call himself a sandwich. The audience laughs at the right moments. Even the boss nods. After the speech, Max feels
गर्वित.
proud, tall, glorious, slightly overdramatic, but definitely
गर्वित.
His aunt says, we are
गर्वित.
of you. Max smiles like a champion who has defeated public speaking and one aggressive bird. Oh no, it is love. And now, because this chapter respects comedy, things get more complicated. After the speech, someone from the audience walks up and says, your talk about pigeons was strangely inspiring. Max looks up. Soft music appears from absolutely nowhere. Suddenly, he is not just
खुश.
He is.
प्यार में.
Yes, in love. Hindi says.
प्यार में.
He smiles too much. He forgets normal grammar. He says, hello, yes, I also am, person. That is the power of being.
प्यार में.
Quick review drill. Now you try. I will give the English feeling, and you remember the Hindi. Happy equals.
खुश.
Sad equals.
उदास.
Angry equals.
गुस्सा.
Anxious equals.
चिंतित.
Nervous equals.
घबराया हुआ.
Relaxed equals.
आराम से.
Proud equals.
गर्वित.
In love equals.
प्यार में.
Mini dialogue challenge. Let's make the words sound real. Repeat the Hindi parts aloud if you want. A. How do you feel today? B. I feel.
खुश.
A. Why are you so quiet before the exam? B. I am.
चिंतित.
And a little.
घबराया हुआ.
A. Why is he shouting at the pigeon? B. He is.
गुस्सा.
A. And now? B. Now I am.
आराम से.
A. You won the prize. B. Yes, I feel.
गर्वित.
A. Why are you smiling at your phone? B. Maybe I am.
प्यार में.
Goodbye, Drama King. Nice work today. You learned a full set of Hindi feeling words through one gloriously emotional disaster. Thank you for listening and learning with me. Keep practicing these Hindi words aloud.
खुश, उदास, गुस्सा, चिंतित, घबराया हुआ, आराम से, गर्वित,
And
प्यार में.
come back, practice again, and let your Hindi grow one feeling at a time.